ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸಾಮ್ಯವಾದ ಕೆಐಒಸಿಎಲ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ನ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಪ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಿಸಿದರು. ಕೆಐಒಸಿಎಲ್ ಘಟಕದ ಪ್ಲೇಲೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ನ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಬಾಯಾರಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ 5 ಮಹೋತ್ತರ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಾಧಕರಾದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರೇವತಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಪ್ರಭಾ, ಕುಮಾರಿ ಸಬಿತಾ ಮೋನಿಸ್, ಆಶಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಯೋಗಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾ ಆರ್ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು.
So like we achieved that how India is promoting women employees. If you see our famous place, first time in history, madam, I think she is in Bangalore now. Malvika madam, we promoted as General Manager of Finance. The first time in history. Number 2, Asha madam, she heading Department of Systems. All these revolution cases we got in last 2 to 3 years. So I am thinking that system department should make a full lady department. But if you say this is IT department heading by most ladies. System department are very easy for me. Here we have placed order. Because my dream also, we are trying for so many years. First at last now, we placed order also on the Tech Mahindra. I think next one hour there is going to be here. Only cables are lacking in the system, including your pay, everything will be more and more possible. We are taking all our HR modules, everything here. So I think I wish Asha madam also to make that expedited process very fast and I think by March end it is coming to complete one phase. Then try to finish in 3 years. And why the difference between ladies and men? It came not now, since the beginning of the earth itself, the discrimination over there. You know the ladies, they take a more pain, more responsibility, not only for outsiders. If you come to my office, one madam is there, night 10 o'clock they take us. So that type of responsibility. Same thing in the case of gents, I am not commenting them, the difference I can observe. They feel more responsible, more sincerity and more involved. I am proud to assure with this company that I can say all the women in the movies, no one is all are doing extremely good job. And not only Asha and Malika, each and every one. There is no words to praise them on that. And I want to see that they were actively to improve. Not 2-3 years, they are doing this medical camps. So that of course my course on IT. So you should know doctor. So you could take the social expertise. They have a lot of they will come out, not only limited to the job and some actual participants, CSR activities, social activities. And further the decision we have taken as something is GATs. We try to maximum to inject lady GATs. So we have taken almost 3 out of 20 GATs, in the 3 ladies. The others are suffered with right. So they are like some problem. So we want to see that at least increase the lady numbers in the communities. The government was asking data. Why are they delaying it? So we are working on the part of that. We will take more change. On contract basis, we are taking a lot of ladies in the finance department. So we are trying a lot of more and more ladies. coming to COVID, really chaos with the this only the company peers us not possible. Don't any company, including say PM or other or community here. A lot of involvement of ladies are there. Not only taking care of house and office also. So, another one is that the projects. From Nadu with she is playing them as well in projects. She said that covers almost she is handling the department. Like this everywhere, no? We have been wonders and I wish that there will in the future one lady should become there. No one here become no. She is not retired in May